Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Telegram. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Telegram application if you have already installed it, and you will be taken into the main page from where you can tap on Start Messaging to log into your existing account. Now first of all, select your country from the country section or type in the country code for your phone number. Then enter your phone number and tap on the next button. You will be asked whether your phone number is correct, so tap on the yes button to confirm it or the edit button to correct your phone number. You will then be asked to check your inbox in order to log into your account. So check your phone SMS within the number that you just entered and you will find the login code that you can use in order to log back into your account. Just type in this login code within the authentication code section and then tap on the next button once again. As soon as you type in this code, you will now be logged back into your account on Telegram, and you can immediately start chatting and continue your conversation. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Telegram app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.